working on getting this actually set up. Of course, I don't have an outlet anywhere over here. I noticed this. The button is actually busted off. So we're gonna pull this out and replace it. Now, since this thing is less than 2 years old, got a new one under warranty. Let's see how this works. Should be pretty straightforward. So yeah, look, it is literally just a flat piece and it sits inside of this channel. Now that that's unbolted, I can see about removing it. And feeding it carefully back through here. So, all right, here's the channel out. That's the cap. Looks like it all screws into some threaded inserts that are actually inside there. So we'll just set this. See, it's got a little channel. Just set this in here. And then I'm going to loosen this and feed it through here, right through here, and right back out. There we go. Put screws back in, plate over it. Easy peasy. Now, what am I going to do with the old one? Well, I do have a 3D printer, and the only thing wrong with this, I'm certain, is going to be the switch holding it down. Yeah, I think I got myself another project. But there you go. If you've got one of these Husky toolboxes, you'll see this works the same as pretty much all the other ones I've got. See, that one's got same deal there. Inside here, same exact deal. This one's not a plate that sits over though, so I imagine that's sandwiched on the back side. Pretty sure the hutches are going to be the exact same setup. Just a second. Yep. Look like the same basic deal. Why is it upside down though? Huh, maybe I was supposed to have that other one upside down. Oops. But yeah. Let's see the outlets. Oh yep, even the outlets on the side of these. Same deal. So yeah, Husky's really getting some mileage out of these. So if you run into a problem with it, you know, that's how it comes apart. Considering there's nothing special at all about this, I think anyone that would fit in there would work for you. But there you go. Hopefully that was helpful.